When it comes to blocking ads on Windows in 2025, two names that come up often are AdGuard and NextDNS. At first, they sound similar, but the way they work is very different. NextDNS is a cloud-based DNS filtering service. That means it blocks ads and trackers at the DNS level before they even reach your computer. It's lightweight, doesn't require software installation, and works across all your devices if you set it up correctly. But here's the downside. Because it's DNS only, NextDNS can't block everything. Ads on YouTube, Twitch, or inside certain Windows apps still get through, and you don't get the same fine-grained control. AdGuard, on the other hand, runs directly on Windows as an application. It filters not just DNS requests but also HTTPS traffic, giving you full protection across browsers, apps, and even games. AdGuard can block video ads, pop-ups, trackers, phishing links, and has bonus features like parental controls, privacy-focused stealth mode. Another big difference is usability. With NextDNS, you need to configure DNS settings manually, and managing filters can be tricky for beginners. With AdGuard, you just install it, and it works instantly. So, while NextDNS is a neat lightweight option if you want something quick at the DNS level, for complete ad blocking on Windows in 2025, AdGuard is the better choice. I've included a special discount link in the description so you can try AdGuard today and enjoy a cleaner, safer Windows experience without the hassle.